So, this is the cup and ball routine. The idea is very simple. This is very high speed routine, so you have to follow this ball. Sometimes the ball in my this hand, right? Sometimes it's in the cup. It's very fast, right? Sometimes I hide I put the ball here, sometimes it's jump to my pocket. So you have to follow this ball. So this is a game. This is a game. I place the ball inside the cup, I shake it up and down, turn it over. Now, I put it in my pocket. The idea is to sneak the ball underneath without you seeing me do that. That is the idea. So you understand the game? Positive? High five. Sorry, you did not understand. Let me explain again. Let me explain again. Right. The ball is here. I'm shaking the ball cup up and down, turn it over. Now what? If you were watching the cup, which is all right, my finger is moving, right? It's not meaning anything. Just draw your attention. The ball jumps again underneath the cup.
Wow.
So once again, say the last time. The ball, place it inside the cup. You shake it up and down to confuse you. Now this time, maybe I place the ball in my pocket. Maybe not. Maybe the ball is under the cup, right? So guess where is the ball? Where is the ball? In my pocket, not in the cup. No, you have to say the ball in the cup. You're missing. Okay, by the way, I'm actually working with two. When I say the ball is in my pocket, if you say the ball is in my pocket, I will appear from the cup. If you say the ball is in the cup, I will appear from my pocket. So one ball is a size is big. That is a big size.
What had happened, Bella?
Okay, do me a favor. Come on, come over here.
What happened?
Now this time you will do
What
the
happened,
magic,
Bella?
right? So what's your name? Okay, so pass your hand over the cup. I'll say abracadabra. Yes. Put the ball over here. Now slowly. You were a genius.
Wow, Kelsey, good job.
Okay, so here the coin tricks. It's all about the coin tricks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Before I do anything, so I want to check it out. Make sure the coin is real. Nothing's going in picture. At first time, I'm going to break the fundamental rules of the magicians, because magicians never reveal their plan to the audience to maximize the impact of their tricks and preserve the surprise moment. Each and every time, the coin will be jumped from my one hand to other's hand. So I have now 4 coins, 1, 2, 3, 4, and before I do anything, so let's roll up my sleeve. So I cannot hide anything in my sleeve. And you have a 4th chance to catch the strings. 1, 2, 3, 4. Each and every time the coin will be jumped, right? So are you ready? So how many coins? How many coins? 4 coins. Slowly I'm closing my hand like this. Boom. Yes. 1 coin is here. And of course here are the 3 coins. Oh, you have a second chance. This time, give me a hand like this. So 1 coin is in your hand. This coin also jumped from your hand. So make sure. How many coins? 3 coins. 3 coins. Just give it blow. Blow.
Blow.
More.
More hard.
More hard. Yes. And here I have 2 coins. Now this is number 1 and this is number 2. 2 coins over here, and here the 2 coins. So watch very clearly. Boom. And here is the 3 coins. Of course, here are the 1 coins. Now this time, oh, you are watching very closely to try to figure it out how it's working. Give me your hand.
Dustin.
Okay. This is my last chance. Right. So 1, 2. Anybody have magnifying glass?
No.
3, 4. Nothing's in my hand. Nothing's under the watch. The 4 coins. I take 1 coin in my hand. Close your hand tight. Turn your hand like this. So this time, this coin I'm going to penetrate. I'll show you this, right? So this coin, if I put it here, you think the coin is here. The coin is here. Now take any 1 point. Choose any 1 point. Last. To big finish. Rest of the coins, I keep it in the palm. So here we go. Give me the coin. Give me your hand. So watch. Give me your other side. So close it. I'm gonna vanish the coin. Idea is very simple. This coin, I take it here, the one pass. Go. No, watch. Here, the coin. Okay? Now, when I say watch, there is a two meaning. One is I watch, and another is you watch. So this coin, if I tap it here, it's come from here. This coin, if I tap it here, it's come from here. If this coin, if I throw it here, you think the coin is here? No, the coin is from your here. Finally, this coin, I'm gonna change it 20 times long.
Oh.
God, it's out of this one.
Wow. Good job.
He's got a whole bunch.
Lunch.
Thank you.
Okay.